Microwave ovens are a staple in many kitchens, but have you ever wondered why they sometimes heat food unevenly? It's a common frustration, and understanding the science behind it can make a difference in how meals are prepared. First off, microwaves work by emitting electromagnetic waves that excite water molecules in food. This process generates heat, but the distribution of those microwaves isn't always uniform. The design of the microwave plays a significant role in how evenly food is heated. One major factor is the shape and size of the food being microwaved. For instance, a large, dense item like a casserole may heat slower in the center compared to the edges. This is because microwaves penetrate food to a certain depth, typically around 1 inch. So, if the food is thicker than that, the outer layers heat up while the center remains cool. Another culprit is the arrangement of food on the plate. When items are piled on top of each other or placed too close together, microwaves can't reach all surfaces equally. Spreading food out in a single layer allows for better microwave penetration and more even heating. The turntable in many microwaves helps with even heating by rotating food, but not all microwaves have this feature. If a microwave lacks a turntable, it can lead to hot spots and cold spots. Some microwaves also have uneven distribution of microwaves due to their internal design, which can create areas where food heats more quickly. Additionally, the type of container used can impact heating. Metal containers reflect microwaves, preventing food from heating properly. Glass or microwave-safe plastic allows microwaves to pass through, ensuring more even heating. Even the color and thickness of the container matter. Darker containers absorb more heat, while thicker materials may insulate food, slowing down the heating process. Another interesting aspect is the moisture content of the food. Foods with higher water content, like vegetables, tend to heat more evenly because the water molecules absorb microwaves efficiently. Conversely, dry foods, such as bread, may heat unevenly, leading to tough, chewy spots and overly hot edges. Temperature also plays a role. If food is taken straight from the fridge, the outer layers will heat up faster than the colder inner parts. To combat this, allowing food to sit at room temperature for a few minutes before microwaving can help achieve a more uniform temperature throughout. Microwave ovens can also be affected by their age and maintenance. Older models may have less effective magnetrons, which generate microwaves, leading to inconsistent heating. Regular cleaning of the microwave can also help. Food debris can absorb microwaves and create hot spots. For those looking to improve their microwave cooking skills, there are a few tips to ensure more even heating. First, using a microwave safe cover can trap steam and help heat food more uniformly. Stirring food halfway through cooking can also redistribute heat and eliminate cold spots. Using the right power settings can make a difference too. Cooking on lower power for a longer time allows heat to penetrate more deeply, reducing the chances of uneven heating. For example, instead of blasting food on high for a few minutes, try cooking it on medium power for a longer duration. Lastly, consider using a microwave-safe thermometer to check the internal temperature of food. This can help identify areas that need more time or attention, ensuring everything is heated properly. In summary, uneven heating in microwave ovens can be attributed to several factors, including the shape and size of the food, the arrangement on the plate, the type of container, moisture content, and even the microwave's age and maintenance. By understanding these elements and employing a few simple techniques, anyone can enjoy more evenly heated meals. So next time that microwave is buzzing away, remember the science behind the heat and make adjustments for the best results. Happy microwaving!